And a happy Friday to you all. Welcome to August. I wanted to give you an update on my Captain Zero project, where I'm taking the public domain television show, Captain Zero, and doing this fun comic book of it. I'm going to flash through some pages. So let's do that. And then we're going to Okay, so I'm using a lot from the show, like the dialogue and for the intro and everything. And I made sure that I put that it was based on the characters created by Roy Stevens, whatever. And I wanted to make sure I paid homage to him. And I'm going to flash to the pages now. The rest of the pages do not have the dialogue on it yet, and I'm only on page 30. Just kind of give you an overview of what's going on with the book. A lot of fun things here. And there's a spoiler coming up, so I'm going to not show that page. I think I'll stop here. Yeah, that would probably be a good idea. But let me do this. This is the spaceship alien character that was actually on an episode of the show. Of course, I modernized it, made it look kind of cool. A lot of fun stuff like that. No spoilers. Let's see, what can I show without giving away anything? Okay, you've seen this page on social media. If you have not seen it on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter, please look for me, Vance Capley Artist, or Vance Capley Art, or Vance Capley, or whatever. And this is kind of a cool thing here, and try not to show anything. Okay, I'm paying a bit of an homage to a old TV show called Highway Patrol right here on this part. And again, I do this thing. I know that's annoying, but don't want to show too much. I think I can show that. I think that turned out really well. Turned out good. Can't show that. I will show this because I really had fun drawing this page together. I can't show the bottom though. There's a lot of stuff I can't show in this, so yeah. But just to say thank you all who are following me on Instagram and Facebook, and for all of you who are looking for an update on the Captain Zero project, it is still a go. It's just taking longer because, as you see, it's a very complex book to draw and color, and I hope you enjoy it when we get it done. Thank you all. God bless and good day.
Vance Capley is a self-taught artist who has worked in various mediums, including drawing, painting, and graphic design for over 20 years. He now has his designs here on TeePublic. Old school, unique, stylish. He is also available to help you with your original TeePublic designs. Make sure you visit Vance Capley Art 1972 at teepublic.com. You'll be glad you did.